Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool haul. It's a free item for me for testing, for welding, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so I got this box in the mail. It is a free item that I was sent for testing. No idea where it's right here. Just using the box cutter. One of the probably 30 of them I have. From what I know, this is a plasma torch handle. Look, it's a brown box with a brown box. It says Conway Plasma Cut Torch P, other most plasma cutting. So it's just quick little video. It's gonna be like a teaser video, and I will do the unboxing in a different video, and we'll talk a little bit about it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.